Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to download and install AlmaLinux OS 9.7 on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to AlmaLinux official website and download. It is almalinux.org. Click on download. See here we have the latest version at the time of making this video is 9.6. Now I am unable to find the 9.7, but when you try to install you will be able to see the 9.7. Even if you are unable to find, click on this blog, then see here general availability of AlmaLinux OS 9.7 stable. Click on it. Then see here we have the installation ISOs are available on the mirrors now for these architectures. So click on Intel or AMD. These are direct download methods and these are by using torrents. Whatever you want you can select. Select Intel or AMD because I am on AMD. Then select any one of these mirrors. Then select the boot ISO or DVD ISO or minimal ISO. Whatever you want you can select. I am going to download DVD ISO. And see here its size is about 12 gigabytes. Click on it to download. No need to register. See, download started and its size is about 12.4 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded AlmaLinux 9.7 DVD ISO. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox, then search for my YouTube channel how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Now click on new or click on new, either is same. Then provide the name. Now select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on drop down and select other, then select the path where you have the enough space. Select the folder, then select the downloaded ISO image. Select other, then go to download. See here I have the 9.7 DVD ISO. Select it, open it. See, once you selected, OS change it to Linux, OS distribution to Red Hat, OS version is Red Hat 64-bit. Don't select the checkbox that is proceed with unattended installation. It is I don't want to proceed with this unattended installation. Then hardware, I am giving 4 gigabytes. It is up to you. Based on availability, you can give number of CPU equals 2. Then hardware, virtual hard disk, I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings, or just select it and click on settings, or go to machine and select settings. All three options are same. Okay, the only option that I want to change is go to settings, then system. Here I am changing pointing device from PS2 mouse to USB tablet. Then click on OK. Then click on start to install the AlmaLinux OS 9.7. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is install AlmaLinux 9.7 and hit enter. Now select the language and click on continue. See, begin installation is grayed out. Why? Because the options that are marked with red color must be filled or configured. So select the installation destination. I am okay with the default one. So click on done. Then user settings, root password and user creation. Select it. I don't want to log this root account. It is up to you. Then set the password for root account. Allow root SSH login with password. It is up to you. Then click on done. Then user creation. I am giving user full name as R2 schools. Then this is the username. Make this user administrator. Provide the password. Confirm the same. Then click on done. Now software selection. See, by default it has selected server with the GUI. If you want only server, you have to select this one. If minimal install workstation, customize custom operating system or virtualization host, whatever you want you can select. Based on this base environment, these additional software information will be changed. Like see, in server with GUI, if you want to install DNS name server or file server or any server, you have to select these checkboxes. Whatever you want you can select, then click on done. Time and date if you want to change, click on here and you can change, or you can select on the globe. Okay, I'm okay with the defaults. Then still now verify one more time. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on begin installation. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I'm going to pause this video. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is completed. Click on reboot system. Click on username, then provide the password. No thanks. Now open terminal, increase the font size, go to preferences, then unnamed, then select the checkbox custom font, click on it, increase the font size, select it, close it, more /etc OS-release. See, we have installed 9.7. okay. Now update the packages. Sudo dnf update sudo dnf upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of the currently logged in user, which is Sopra user. See, all packages are updated. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install AlmaLinux OS 9.7 on VirtualBox. Okay. For more Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.